Welcome to this lesson about how to create folder structure for Blueprint application. The first thing we need to do to deal with the Blueprint is to create its folder structure. For this reason, I will create a new directory for my for the to do Blueprint project. I will cd to that directory and now I will create a new directory. I will name it model. I will create another directory. I will name it services. I will create now Python file called run.py. I will create Python file called config.py, and I will create module initializer. I will name it. It have to have this name: underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. So inside the model, we will go inside the model folder and we will create another init.py. Also, we will go inside the service and we will create init.py. So that's all the folders and files we need to create a template for any Blueprint application. Now let's show that as a tree and we will see what is each folder must contain. So now in the config.py, in this file we will put our configuration. For example, if we need to deal with database, all the connection and connection string and other settings like the server name and the username and the password for the database must be in this config.py. The model folder, it's contain all the model which we need to store or send back to the REST client. So this will contain all the model which we need to send it to the client or we need to store it in the database. Run.py, in this file we will run the application, write the code that is running our service. And the service folder, from its name we will put all the service related, the endpoint and all of these stuff in a file, in Python file in this folder. So init.py in the service will expose and initialize our service to be ready to import it in the run.py. The model, the init.py in the model folder will initialize our model as a module to use in the different services which we will created in this folder here. So that's all we need to do for preparing a template folder structure for any blueprint application. In the next lesson, we will start converting our previous to-do list app to blueprint, and we will see how exactly we will use this structure here to create the to-do app, to-do list using a blueprint. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.